Several U.S. senators recently wrote to Dr. Stephen Hahn, Commissioner of the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, that it's imperative that his agency ensures that vaping products are properly regulated. Find out more on this edition of Ruthless Insider. Hello and welcome to another edition of Ruthless Insider. The bipartisan coalition of senators called on the FDA to take action. According to the letter, the senators rightfully expect Hahn will ensure that the agency reject e-cigarette product applications that do not protect the nation's public health. The letter naturally targeted the argument of child appeal by saying, quote, "As head of the FDA, your responsibility is to the American public, including and most importantly, our nation's children." The senators wrote, "As you know, 5 million children are now vaping, including 1 in 4 high school students, an increase of 135% over the past 2 years alone. We do not believe that a product that has increased or is likely to increase youth use of nicotine or tobacco can meet the public health standard required under law." The letter continued on to say, quote, "When looking at the changing e-cigarette marketplace, including the proliferation of products that use nicotine salts, Juul-like products, and disposable flavored products, it is virtually certain that many products entered illegally. FDA will have failed to uphold its responsibility to protect public health if the May 12th deadline is enforced in the same manner as the deeming rule." The senators blame the Trump administration for failing to completely remove flavored vapes of all sorts from the market. They also believe that President Trump's attempt to create an entirely new agency focused on tobacco regulation is completely misguided. Many senators continue to take an extreme personal interest in attacking the rights of adult vapers and even seem to put this issue above many arguably more important issues in government. Why do you believe that these senators are so fixated on this topic over others? Please share your thoughts with us down below, and as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell button to keep up to date with all of our Ruthless content. This has been Nick with Ruthless Insider, and we'll see you next time.